the Super Regional, and then we'll have additional teams that will be announced at a later date. In third place for our Champions Award winner for this year's Griffin Spalding Regional Tournament is team number 1, 2, 4, 3, 6. Our second place Champions Award team is team number 1, 2, 4, 3, 8. Major League Box. And our final award for the evening today, and before I announce this for coaches, at the conclusion of this award, if you will come down, we have participation keychains for your team, and if the coaches will come get it, it makes it much easier on us. The way we will handle that, walk up, simply tell us how many students are on your team. You will get one keychain per student, up to the 10 students you are allowed, and we have a separate keychain for the coaches. So we will present those after. We have your robot random sheets are here on the floor over here, and the rubrics. Yeah. Alright, so rubric, we'll get your, if you want your rubrics after you get your keychains, we'll get those and hand those to you as well. So I want to thank everybody for coming out today. Volunteers that were here, all the folks from Griffin High School, all of the community members who came out to volunteer. Thank you all for your time, your effort. Coaches, thank you for working with these students. If it wasn't for the coaches' time and efforts, this wouldn't be happening today. Parents, thank you for bringing and allowing your children to be here today. And with that, I want to thank everybody for being here and say have a safe trip home. Please go ahead and award you. Cameron said he wanted it today. Our Champions Award winner, first place for the Griffin Spalding County Regional, is team number